Greetings, Vikings, and our 8th grade soon-to-be Vikings out there. This video will guide you through the step-by-step process of entering your course requests for next year through your StudentVUE account online. First things first, you're going to need a few items in front of you to assist you in the process of entering your course requests. You will need your completed registration option sheet, which will supply you with the course codes needed to search for and select your desired courses for next year. This course option sheet, along with Inglemoor High School's website, include helpful resources and reminders on due dates that apply to this year's course registration season. Be sure to double check and follow the directions so that your schedule for next year can be as accurate as possible for you. So let's get started, Vikings. First, you will need to log into your StudentVUE account using your school login credentials. Support for logging into your StudentVUE account can be found on our North Shore School District website. Once you've logged in, you will select the Course Request tab on the upper left-hand side of your screen. This will open up the course request page that includes an abbreviated graduation credit summary that shows you high school credits that you've earned and completed so far. This will look different for each grade level, depending on how many high school courses you've earned credit for so far. For this tutorial, we will be using a 10th grade example student named Viking. When you're ready to enter your course requests, you will click the blue button that says "Click here" to change your course requests. Once selected, the course search tool will appear and you can get started entering your course requests. When using the course search tool, you will enter the course code found on your course option sheets for each course you are registering for. If it is a year-long course, you will need to enter a request for each semester. This is noted by an A after the course code for first semester and a B after the course code for second semester. The first course I will be entering is my English selection for next year. I've selected English 10 as my option, so I will be searching for the course code ENG200. The course search tool will automatically populate your course results as you type. There's no need to hit enter to search for your courses. As you can see, two options appear. One option is for first semester, noted by the A after the code, and the second is for second semester, noted by the B after the code. You will see that after adding each of these course requests, they are added to your list of selected course requests above. Your goal will be to add 14 course requests total, and this is going to be for a full 7-period schedule for first and second semester of next year. Now let's keep going. Next up, I will be entering my math course selection. Since I took Algebra 1 last year, I've selected to take geometry this year. I'm going to go ahead and search for the course code MGE100, and I will add the request for both semesters of geometry, since this is another year-long course. Next up is my science selection. I took biology last year as a freshman, so this year I've selected physics to take as my science option. So now I'm going to go ahead and search for the course code SCP100. And I will also add both semesters of physics, as this is also a year-long science course. Next up is my social studies selection. Since I'm already taking care of my world history credit in my freshman year, but I really like social studies, I've gone ahead and decided that I'm going to register for the full year pre-IB World History 2 course. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and I'm going to search for the course code SSW265, and I will add both semesters of this year-long course to my requests. Next up, I'm going to add French 200 since I'm taking French 100 this year, and I really want to continue building my skills and my fluency, along with reaching the benchmark for world language credit for admission into a post-secondary institution. So I will now search for the course code WLF200, and just like with the last courses, I'm going to add both semesters of this year-long course into my selected course requests. Next up, I'm choosing to take care of my health credit along with some of my required PE credit by registering for a semester of health with code HEA410 and a semester of yoga with the course code PYP100. Lastly, I've decided to step out of my comfort zone next year and register for a full year of leadership class. Leadership is an elective that can be taken for either a full year or one semester only. But I have a feeling I'm going to really like that course, so I'm going to be registering for a full year. I will search for code YYN210, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add this request twice to communicate my desire for a full year of this elective course. All right, Vikings, we're almost done with your online course requests through your StudentVUE account. At this point, you're going to see a total of 14 selected course requests up above. Excellent. Next up, you're going to need to enter alternates for popular courses and electives. There's a section on your course option sheet that will remind you to input your alternates. In Viking's situation, we're probably going to need to enter alternates for my elective selections that I've already made. For alternates, I've selected walking fitness with code PWA200, and I've selected cartooning as my alternate for leadership with code ACA100. And there we are, Vikings, and those soon-to-be Vikings out there. We have a completed course request section with 14 entered options, as well as alternates for some of those really popular electives and courses that we offer. All right, Vikings, be sure to access and submit your course requests through your StudentVUE account before the deadline this year, as this function in StudentVUE will be closing at some point. Thank you much, Vikings. We're excited to receive your course requests and help build your schedule for next year's courses. See you later.